Hi, welcome to the series on the Victor DCL 1640 lathe. Well, let's talk today about accurate homing and the referencing system on this lathe. So after you turn the machine on, you want to go to reference, so choose this to reference, and then choose position, right? Make sure 0, 0, make sure your tool is 0. If your tool is not 0, go to manual guide, and this is one of the easiest way I know anyway. And if you had a tool number here, you would just hit cancel and then input, and that takes you to 20. Okay, so let's go back to reference position. And last but not least, make sure that your work shift offset X is 0, Z is 0. So for very accurate homing, you need those three things. You need work shift 0, tool 0, and last but not least, your speeds have to be at 100%. For good repeatability, you always want to move away from that switch, right? And you want to make sure you're 100% feed, okay? And then you're going to feed rapidly and let the machine does its thing, okay? If you're right on the switch and it's not moving fast enough, it's not going to give you good repeatability. So, of course, move this, unlock the switch, moves the switch on Z, and just wait until it finds its position. The Z-axis light will be blinking at this point, and once it finishes zeroing the machine, it's going to turn to a solid green, okay, which it just did. Then repeat the same thing for the X. Let me change the camera angle here. Of course, don't forget to move the switch back to 0. Same thing on the X-axis. You want to move away. Here's the that little tab for the switch. You move away and you rapidly fit to it and let the machine does its thing. Of course, now the light is going to be blinking here. And once the machine has finishing roaming, the light turns solid green. Finally, don't forget to move this back to 0. If you don't, your machine should give you an error code saying that move the joystick back to 0. But I'm just going to do it like this. So this is how you accurately home the machine with good precision. Make sure to follow all these steps. Next video is going to talk about how to reference the machine. Thanks for watching.